I totally missed the tour and booked 2 tickets. Damn, that's good coffee. Okay. Now that it's resolved, I can tell you this whole story. I booked my original tour for Thursday, December 19th. I happened to be in LA the weekend before, December 15th, 16th. So I had put the GPS of how far I was from where I was visiting, and it was like 30 minutes. I'm like, awesome, I'm gonna bump my tour up to Tuesday so I can head back to Orange County. I come, I do the tour, and we pull up to Stars Hollow, and we drive away from Stars Hollow. And I am not only heartbroken, but absolutely spiraling. Like, what? It was like I could see it, but I couldn't touch it. I couldn't be there. And I was devastated. I was like ruining the second half of my trip, my tour, because I could only think, what? And then the tour guide was like, yeah, and the crew's gonna be there tomorrow. It opens. Like, he was really excited, telling us that the tour was happening tomorrow, or Stars Hollow was opening tomorrow. And I was like, I'm supposed to be there. So I'm driving back to Orange County, and I decide I am coming again. I rebooked a ticket for today, Thursday, December 19th, so that I could be here, because I just couldn't let it end that way. I was so devastated. And I can 10 out of 10 say, worth it, so glad, would do it again, would pay twice, did pay twice. And I even graciously asked if I could skip the tour and come here, and someone met that request. And I'm so, so grateful, because I have been here for like 3 hours just navigating and checking everything out. And so I'm just so happy and relieved and grateful, because it's worth it. My little Gilmore Girl heart is so happy. Everyone's here waiting for the tree lighting. So excited. This didn't ruin the magic. I am so grateful for that.